Welcome back. There's new regulations in place for this year in the area of home maintenance. Bobby Johnson from Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical is here to give us the details on how it could affect you. Thanks for being here to talk about this really important topic.
Thanks again. Yeah, I'm sure it's super exciting, but you know, one of those PSA announcements that kind of need to get the information out there a little bit.
Well, it is exciting because we've been hearing about this, maybe not exciting news, but really important to talk about these regulations in the new year, right?
It is important just from an education standpoint. I know you and I have a lot of conversations just about what to look for and tips and tricks and things like that, which all of that's so important on a daily routine basis. But oftentimes when these government regulated changes come down, which happened January 1st, 2023, then it affects us quite a bit what our options and choices are going forward. So this happens every few years in our industry. You might remember the word Freon,
yes.
Air conditioner, refrigerant, so that's no longer made. That was a process to go through a change that was an EPA guideline. Water heaters a few years ago, the regulations changed there. It changed how they were produced, and so every time that happens, of course, unfortunately, that cost gets passed down. So the prices increase, and oftentimes it's a lot more, and it's a sticker shock. This year, unfortunately, we're talking about furnaces and air conditioners. So those those lines of equipment, what's happened is the production and the efficiency levels have been regulated to change. So basically it's all good things. I mean, it's Green Energy Act and saving our natural resources and utility usage and higher efficiency, but it does raise the bar on those standards, and therefore those standards, when they get raised, then it costs more money. So unfortunately, it's going to go up about 15 to 20% here shortly.
Okay, so it hasn't quite yet, but it'll soon?
That's correct, yeah. So January 1st is when the laws went into effect to change the production. So that's happening now at the manufacturing plants. But we won't see that product until for another month or two, sometime in the first quarter. So we don't have exact dates. But we will be able to sell the 2022 product, install those lines of equipment, which there's absolutely nothing wrong with. That's what's in my house. I replaced it a couple years ago at my house. So I know it's not fun, but it's only going to get super expensive, or even more so, I guess I should say.
So now might be a good time to do that, especially if you're wanting to save some money.
If you've thought about it at all in the past year or two, or if it's just been on your mind, you haven't had it checked out in a bit, you know, it's never going to be fun. It wasn't any more fun for me. We've had this conversation at your house too, but it is what it is. It's necessary, you know, and it only gets worse when you wait, because usually we get caught without it and you're scrambling, and then, yeah, in this case, it's just going to cost more money. But the good thing with us is that for all of our Gold Club members, and anybody who isn't one that wants to be, give us a call. It costs you $100 a year for all of our plumbing, heating, cooling, and electrical services. But I don't think everybody knows this, but they should. It isn't just your routine maintenance. When you need us, whether it's an emergency or you just want to have a conversation about these type of things, or maybe you just, I wish I had can lights in this room, or I want to change a fan, or could I have a tankless water heater? We can come out. We always come out for free, even for just conversations.
And you too have also mentioned it's like a Netflix subscription. We don't have to pay that $100. We can just get it withdrawn each month, right? Oh,
yes. Just like your regular subscriptions that's so popular these days. Yeah, you don't have to remember to renew it. We can set it up multiple different ways. But we always come out for free to have any conversation that you want.
Well, Bobby, thanks so much for being here and updating us on these regulations. So important and good to know about that too.
Yep. Thanks for having me.
And you can find Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical in Grimes off Northeast Main Street. To set up an appointment, just call 888-986-2424 or go online to goldenrulephc.com. You can also find Golden Rule on Facebook and Instagram.